We'll show you how to set up and install your smart video doorbell. Firstly, open up your box. You will find a quick start guideline to follow inside. Warm-up tips, including 13 important tips you must know before usage, are inside the box. Here's a ding-dong chime for indoor use. And a USB cable to charge the battery. A screw package to install. A 3M adhesive to install the doorbell to the wall. Now, it's the doorbell, black and white design. Isn't it handsome? Yes, it is. Open your doorbell. You will see a faceplate. There are 2 AC input holes. Power supply of the equipment can be supplied by connecting hold and the exiting AC power supply on the wall. Also, it can be supplied by batteries. Open the battery compartment. 2 rechargeable 18650 batteries are included. Remember, before use, move the battery's insulation piece away. Now we'll go ahead with the batteries. Next, let's go to set up the app. Scan the QR code in the guideline, page 6. Download the Home View app. Open it. You will see several pop-up messages. Tap OK. Always allow. Allow. OK now. Add to a device. Set up device. Then press the reset button or hold the reset button at the back of the doorbell for 5 seconds until you see a prompt come up. The prompt will say, the camera is now ready to begin pairing. Go ahead and tap yes. Enter the password. The device will emit sound waves. Put your doorbell and smartphone together. After a successful connection, you will be prompted to create a name and a password by yourself, such as front door. Good password. Finished, we make a basic setting. Get into the device. Tap Setting and PIR Detection to open the submenus. Choose one you need. Then in the device list section, tap the setting icon here and choose one push mode, such as call in. That's your setup completed. Let's go on. Doorbell and the indoor ding-dong pairing. Plug your ding-dong in, hold, long press or hold the uppermost volume button for 5 seconds until you see the LED light blue. When it lights blue, immediately press the doorbell button. Pairing is completed. The ding-dong provides 52 different melodies in total. You can choose one you like by pressing backward or forward. Then, hold down the volume button for 4 seconds until the blue light stays on continuously. Solid. Immediately press the doorbell. You can tap the button to have a check. After that, install the doorbell to the wall. You can use the provided 3M adhesive. Now we install it by the screws. Place the back plate over your existing doorbell wire. Just put the 4 screws into the wall. If it's a concrete wall, you should drill holes and hammer in the provided anchors. Perfect now. The next step is to slide on the faceplate. Now, when someone presses the doorbell, it will push notifications to your smartphone. Everything is good to go. The last step is to screw on the anti-tampering screw from the button. Simple and easy, right? Enjoy!